Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. And today I'm going to unbox this Logitech wireless mouse M187. This is a very small mouse here, as you can see. This is my hand size and then this is my mouse. And this is the mouse that I got for my Christmas gift, but it is a bit too small, I would say. But let's go on to the box first. As you can see, here is the wireless dongle here, but we don't see it on the box. I suppose it's inside the mouse. We'll take a look later on. And here it says the battery lasts 6 months, which is pretty cool. And due to this size, it's ultra portable as Logitech marketed here. Now let's take a look at the back here. Well, Logitech touts that it is a world leader in mice. I certainly agree with that. Logitech's mice has been very reliable to me. I myself has been using a lot of Logitech mouse such as G502, G102, G402 and M187, which is another budget or wireless mouse. And here you can see that the wireless connection lasts as far as 10 meters here, which is very cool, and it uses an advanced optical tracking here, and it comes with 3 years warranty. You may not be see here, but it's inside here. And what's inside the box? It includes a mouse, a wireless dongle, and also battery and some documents. The packaging itself, I don't really like this packaging to my own taste, because once you break this open, you cannot put it back all together. I prefer a paper box type, because, well, definitely for resale value, but oh well, but everyone's taste is different. So without further ado, let's open this up. Okay, so we got the mouse itself. I got the black color here, and here are the documents, and here is the usage instruction. Let's set this aside first and just look at the mouse here. So this is the mouse itself. It's very small. It has a glossy finish here. I can see myself on the surface, but the build quality is decent. It's very plasticky, but very small indeed. Like, can you imagine I have to hold this mouse the whole time with just my fingers and no support for my palm? But it's black color with white, some parts in white color, and we have a very small 4 rubber feet here, which should last very long. And here's a sticker inside which blocks the current from the battery to save the battery life. And here is the power button here, which is on and off. As so far we still don't see the dongle here, but it's actually inside of it here. And the dongle itself is very small as well, and you can store it inside the mouse. And here is the battery, which uses an AAA size. This is a very light battery here. It can last supposedly 6 months, and you need to take this off so that the battery can supply energy to the mouse. And here is the optical itself here, but it's invincible, so when you power it on, you don't see any lights. Now let's take this dongle and connect it to the PC, and let's try this out. So I've already connected to my PC here, and it's working properly, and it's actually power on now, but you don't see any lights, which is nice, because old generation of sensors has red lights, which can be irritating to the eyes. This mouse is priced around 30 ringgit, which is very nice. And here is the click itself. So you have 3 buttons here, 1, 2, left and right, and the middle click. Middle click is very loud. Left and right click is decent. I'm not sure if it can annoy your co-workers in the office, but the middle click is definitely very stiff and very loud. And here's the scroll sound. You can feel each step, which is quite nice, I would say. And the glide is very okay here. If you have a mouse pad, it would be nicer, I suppose. But I would definitely say this mouse is for those with very small hand. As you can see, this is too small for my hand here. But that's all from me, guys. This is my unboxing experience of my Logitech M187 wireless mice here, and I'll catch up with you guys next time. Bye bye.